are going to see how we can mint a burn token. So this is a simple reflection token. However, holders don't get reflections. The reflections get burned. How do we do that? Well, first of all, we have to come to dx.app, come here to the top right corner, connect wallet, click on that, choose your wallet. I've got MetaMask, so I'll click on that. And once again, I've connected before, so it automatically reconnects to the same wallet. If this is your first time, you will get a pop-up from your wallet asking you to confirm that you indeed want to connect to DX app. Click yes, and you will be connected. Come up here to the top left on create, go to DX Mint and click on that. And here you can mint your own token. So step number one, choose a network. Because my wallet is already connected to the Ethereum testnet Sepolia, dx.app automatically connected to the same network. However, I can change that here. DXL supports more than 20 blockchains, so come here and choose the one that you want. However, for the tutorial, I will leave it on Sepolia. Step number two, choose the token type. We've already seen how to do the standard token, and today we check the burn token. As we mentioned, this is a reflection token. So every transaction will have a bit of a tax and will generate the same tokens be given out to the holders. In this case, because it's a burn token, instead of being given out to the holders, they will get burnt forever. So it's a deflationary token. However, we can not only customize the fees or the tax to burn the token, but we can also customize fees or tax of reflections going into the developer wallet. And we can check that in a second. And finally, we can whitelist addresses. This is very important when we want to run a pre-sale. So go to step 3, enter token information. So let me just do here a test burn token. Number 1, since I've already done one. The token symbol will be a TBT. Decimals, we can put whatever we want to, up to 18, but I'll just put 9. The total supply, again, just as an example, will be 1 million. But this can be anything. Did I put 6 zeros? No, there's one too many. So 3, there you go, 1 million. Now, as far as the burn fee, as I explained before, this is the tax. It can be maximum 4% of percentage of every transaction that gets sent to the dead address. So 4% of every transaction will be burnt forever. So let's say that I'm transferring 100 TBT tokens to another wallet. 4 TBT tokens will be burnt forever. So it's a deflationary token. So let's set 3% just to have a different number. And here instead is where I put the tax for the developer's wallet. So let's say another 3%. So in this case, every single transaction that takes place, 6% will be taxed, 3% will be burned forever, and 3% will be sent to the wallet that I'm giving now. This is again a sample wallet in a way of reflections, extra tokens. Now, why would I want to do that? Well, it's useful to do that because as a developer, I might want to get extra tokens to then give out on airdrops. I might want to give tokens out to an influencer, so for marketing, to pay someone that is helping me develop the project even more. So there are different ways why we want to do that. If you have a referral code, use it here. And once we're happy with the information that we have entered, as you can see, this is also the fee, very clearly stated, 1% of tokens. There is no USD that we ask, no Ethereum or BNB. Once everything is okay, just click on Mint Burn Token. So it doesn't like the address because I put a space. So let's do it again. Now the wallet will ask to confirm the transaction. I'm happy with that, so I click confirm. And now it's just a matter of us waiting for the transaction to be confirmed on the blockchain. And this typically on Sepolia takes about 5 seconds. As you can see, it's already done. So here you can view the transaction on the blockchain. I don't want to do that, but you can. Let me close that. And this is our manage your token dashboard. So here you can see the token name, the token symbol or ticker, the total supply, the address. In fact, I can even click on here and it will open the Explorer, Etherscan, and shows me the contract address and everything. And then the fact that this token has a total of 6% tax, 3% goes to the dev, and 3% is burned forever. The 3% that goes to the dev goes to this address. Now here in step number 2 or section number 2, I can actually change those fees. I can change the percentage. So remember that I had 3 and 3. I can change that now to 1 and 1 or 1 and 4. I can even change the reward address if I want to. This is all features that we have included in our dashboard. And here we can put the address to exclude from fees, for example, when we're running a pre-sale. So you would put the pre-sale contract address here. And finally, we can change the ownership of the token here by putting the new address and click on change. As far as renounce ownership, this is for those developers who want to basically give up control of the contract completely. So be very careful when you do that, because once you renounce ownership, you cannot edit the contract anymore. And finally, again, if now I'm happy with the token, it looks good, I want to raise some funds for it, I go at the bottom here and I can create a pre-sale or a private sale or a fair launch. But this is how easy it is. Let me just close this just in case we have accidentally closed the window. How do we get to that dashboard again? Easy. We go up here in the main icon, my dashboard, and here you can see your tokens, your locks, your sales. This is the last token that I've just minted. Again, you can open the Explorer, you can copy the address, you can view the certificate of mint, which is very good to share with your community, and you can see a share button there, or you can just click on manage and you get back to that dashboard. So very easy. This is how we mint and manage a burn token on DXL.